What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Arc Show. Today we're going to be doing a stainless steel root, how to put a stainless steel root. There's a lot of mistakes we do on the root, but I'm going to tell you this: if you know how to weld carbon steel on a pipe, then you can weld stainless steel. Always keep that in mind. You can do it. ¿Qué onda, chavos? Este video se trata de, vamos a hacer una pipa de acero inoxidable. Vamos a hacer el root de cómo hacer. Muchos cometemos muchos errores, pero te voy a decir una cosa: el stainless steel, el acero inoxidable, es nomás la palabra acero inoxidable. En realidad no tiene dificultad. Sí hay uno que otro detallito, pero aquí te lo voy a decir yo. Si tú puedes soldar una pipa de carbón, o sea que una pipa de fierro, eso quiere decir que puedes soldar stainless steel. So, que no te vengan a decir que no, es que stainless es otro pedo, esto es lo otro, de todo es la misma chingadera, todo se solda igual. So, no dejes que nadie te apague. Si traes ganas de hacerlo, no dejes que nadie te lo pague. ¿Por qué? Porque hay mucha gente afuera así. Entonces, nomás mantengan eso en mente, chavos. Si sabes soldar carbón, sabes soldar stainless, sabes soldar inconeo, sabes soldar todas esas mamadas. Todo es lo mismo, lo más diferente varilla. Y a lo mejor una cosa que otra que se le mueves acá, pero todo es lo mismo, chavos. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, first things first. So, first of all, I'm sorry because nobody's helping me record. I'm doing this on my own, so I apologize for that. But anyway, so first things first. So we already tacked the pipe, right? I always like to this is a clear lens, which you see here, it's a clear lens. I always like to put it in there, cut it the way you want it. If it fits the whole thing, just fit it all. I like to put it like that with the tape around it. That way you don't have to be taking off the tape, you know, because whenever you cover, you gotta cover it, right? So whenever you cover it, you don't want to be taking off everything and then be looking at it and then put it back. So the best thing to do is just to put a clear lens, and then whenever you put a clear lens, you can be looking through the clear lens and see how your root is going. So that's one of the best things that you can do. We're gonna cover the whole thing, the whole gap. I only put two tags, and I did them bridge tags. I did bridge tags on this. I don't like to mess with the root with my bevels, to be honest. We're gonna be using a Miller Max Star 200. We're gonna be running at around 68 amps for the root, and then let's see how it goes. Chavos, para empezar, yo les recomiendo que le pongan un lente claro aquí para que puedan mirar lo de adentro, el root. Así para que no estén quitando el papel, o sea, el tape, y se lo estén quitando y poniendo, porque va a ser mucho pedo. Entonces yo les recomiendo que le pongan un pedacito como el de los lentes claros, perdón, para poder hacer el de ese. Quiero pedir disculpas porque no tengo nadie quien me esté grabando, solo estoy haciendo yo todo solo. Y sí, bueno, estamos usando una Miller Maxstar 200 y vamos a empezarlo como a 67 por ahí. Vamos a darle, chavos. Antes que nada, no se les olvide, ahorita estoy usando esta camisa, es the blue collars. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. This is from my Puerto Rico. Really nice, really comfortable FRC shirts, real FRC shirts, and go check them out. Go to theweldlab.com. That way you can be able to get you one. They're running out fast. There's another thing that I want to add, guys. Today we're coming in with the new Tungsten holder from Snake Belly. Look at this, guys. So it holds up to, I know, more than 10 tungstens, to be honest. Look, that's 12 tungstens right there, and it still has space. So you can get them on arsha.com, and they come in handy, to be honest. So go check them out, guys. rod inside. Always leave the rod inside, that way you can perch, because if not, it's gonna come out with sugar. If you leave it inside, it's gonna be perch. All right, guys, so let's do the other side. I didn't put no argon on the inside. Well, I did, but you know what I mean, like, that's why it's kind of dark. Okay, now we have some, a little bit more pressure than the first side that we did. Always use a metabo. That's what I did to cut the bridge tack. Siempre usen el metabo, chavos, para cortar el bridge tack. No usen disco de 1.8 o 332. Lo mejor que pueden hacer es el metabo, to be honest. Y ahí le estoy corriendo como carbón. Hay dos formas de correrla. You can run it deep in it, or you can run it like carbon steel. So I'm running like carbon steel. La puedes hacer como gotitas, o le puedes hacer como carbón. Y yo lo estoy haciendo como carbón, como fierro. Nomás le puse 2 taques, chavos. No puse más, no puse 10, no puse 8. Más 2 taqueadas, es lo único que puse. I only put 2 tack, guys. I didn't put no more. And right here, I'm running side to side. You don't have to grind it. Remember, every time you grind, if you grind, you have to wait, because the grinding creates air, or I don't know if it's oxygen, I don't know. The grinder creates, it's blowing air, so that air is going inside the pipe. So then it's not 100% perch anymore, because you got oxygen in there. So just make sure, if you grind, just wait a little bit. See, this is what I was telling you guys. This, you gotta cut it. Cut the towel here, and then here. Like, just follow the bevel, and then you'll be good. All right, guys, let's get it done. We're gonna bump it up to, right now we have it on 67. We're gonna put it on 75. So we're gonna grind the tie-in right there. This one, we're gonna try that tie-in, that way we can close it. Before you close it, guys, I wanna mention something. Before we close it, we gotta punch holes here. Right here, like this. If you have a tungsten, just do it with the tungsten, it's better. You punch here, here, here. Why we doing this? The reason we're doing this is because whenever you try to close it, so this is your open gap, right? So you're gonna fill it. But if you don't have any openings, the argon is going to come out through here. So he's never going to want to let you close it. So if you were to close it, you're going to have a suck back on the inside. Why? Because the argon is pushing it. You got pressure on the inside. Remember, guys. So that's why we punch this hose. So whenever we close it on top, the pressure goes out through here and not here. We still have to lower down the pressure on the argon. Chavos, aquí cuando hacemos esto, cuando cerremos aquí, si no le hacemos estos agujeros, lo que va a pasar es de que el argón va a querer salir por donde estás cerrando tú. So, al momento que quieras cerrar, no te va a dejar. ¿Por qué? Porque la presión va a estar saliendo por ahí. So, esa es la razón que hacemos estos hoyitos, para que cuando cerremos acá arriba, la presión salga por este lado. Pero te tienes que bajar también la presión ahí al tanque. ¿Por qué? Porque si no, va a ser mucha presión que no va a salir por los agujeritos, que va a querer salir por aquí. Si no le haces estos agujeros, lo que va a pasar es que vas a tener suckback adentro. Se va a mirar así como chupado para adentro. So, es muy importante eso, chavos. Como les digo, todo lo que hice ahorita es de carbón. Es lo mismo, o sea, es lo mismo como si estuvieras usando carbón. La única detalle son estas cosas, que los agujeritos, que la purga, que esto y que el otro. I was telling everybody, guys, that this is the same shit as fucking carbon steel. This is the same shit as carbon steel. The only different thing is about, you know, like the purge, the pressure on the purge, these little holes, you know, maybe the amperage, yeah, it's a little bit, it's lower. But why is it lower? Everything's gonna change if you have a thinner material, if you have a thicker material. So what I'm saying, with that being said, guys, if you can weld carbon, you can weld fucking stainless steel. Don't give up, guys. Let's try to finish this shit, wrap it up, and go home, family, barbecue, and get some cold ones. I had a little cold wire right there. Look, guys, I pushed it too much. Like I said, it's been a while. I haven't welded stainless, but like, it's not that hard. Oh well. So, and I was using 308. And I was using 308. I did only 2 tacks. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. I hope you guys liked the video. To be honest, I need to hire somebody to come and record my videos, or somebody to help me out. But anyway, so I did what I could. I'm not perfect, like I always tell everybody, I'm not perfect. There's a lot of people out there better than me. I'm just here to share what I know and what I learned throughout all these years of experience. Even the best ones, they're always gonna fail x-rays. It's gonna happen to everybody. So if it happens to you, don't get discouraged, you know, just keep moving forward, keep grinding. Practice is gonna be your best teacher. So don't give up, keep burning, keep grinding until you get to where you wanna be. Don't let nobody else tell you you're supposed to be here. Nah, you do it yourself. Wherever you wanna be, you're gonna be. Just keep grinding, keep moving forward, and don't stop grinding. Chavos, ahí quedó, espero que les haya gustado. No fue el mejor video. Tengo mucho que no hago stainless, pero como quiera, o sea, eso no es una excusa. Ahí tuve un error yo lo tuve y lo reconozco. Cuando te pasa así, yo miré cuando llegué ahí y cuando lo estaba poniendo, Yo miré eso y le decidí seguir en vez de grainearle. No hagan eso en un test. Si sabes que está ahí, arréglalo antes de que lo cierres. Es mejor arreglarlo en ese rato a que lo cierres hasta arriba. Y nomás estoy diciendo esto con ustedes, o sea, no tengo por qué mentirles. Ustedes sigan para adelante, chavos, sigan graineando. Nunca dejen que nadie les apague los sueños. Yo no soy perfecto. Yo estoy aquí para enseñar lo que yo sé. Como les digo, hay alguien afuera mejor que yo. Hay un vato que es mucho más chingón que yo y como quiera las va a fallar. A todos nos pasa. Si no es por el frío, es por otra cosa, porque a veces las soldaduras se craquean por el frío, porque no calientas, no le haces preheat y cosas así. Pero bueno, chavos, antes de que me vaya, no se les olvide, vayan y chequen el tungsten holder. La mera verdad, esta madre está mamalona, chavos. Se las recomiendo. La hicimos basada a que fuera a la mitad de lo que mide un tungsten. No la mitad, está más grande que de la mitad de un tungsten. ¿Por qué la hicimos a la mitad? Porque nadie usa los tostenos largos. Bueno, al menos en las plantas y cosas así. Nadie usa los tostenos largos porque lo que pasa es de que muchas personas, si lo usas largo, muchas personas no saben, muchas personas que están aprendiendo no saben. Si usas no usas el botón, si lo usas largo, cuando estás caminando la copa, te molesta aquí. Es como si tuvieras esto aquí así y te está molestando esto aquí. Entonces, por eso eliminaron esta madre y pusieron el botón Entonces, la tienes así esta y estás así y te está molestando esto cuando vas caminando la copa. Esa es la razón que los cortamos a la mitad. I was telling everybody about the tungsten holder. It's not that we did it short. Why we did it so short? It's not that we did it short. The reason we did it like that is because nobody on the field uses the whole tungsten. Why didn't use the whole tungsten? Because whenever you walk in the cup or whenever you're in a tight spot, this, like let's say if you have the whole thing like this, like the whole this on the back, the plastic, whenever you walk in, this bothers your hand. So that's why they removed this and they only leave the button on here. So that's what we cut them half. But anyway, so that's what we did it like that. That's what we did it this size for everybody on the field. You can fit up to, I believe it's more than 10. So I think you can fit 14 if I'm not mistaken, 14. So we're talking about 7 tungstens. And to be honest, it has a badass price right now. If you go to the artshow.com, right now the pre-sale is for $15. After that, it's gonna be $18. We always do free shipping. Always keep that in mind, guys. Free shipping counts a lot. It might be $2, it might be $5, it might be $10, it might be $20. Free shipping counts a lot. So anyways, so go check them out, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. And remember, if you want to get into school, let me know, send me a message. We still got 2 spots available on days. Unfortunately, we don't have any open spots on nights. Just give me a call, send me an email, send me a message, and we can work something out. See you in the next one, guys.